easily make $500 from your smartphone if you use the strategy that I'm going to show you. So there are over thousands of mobile apps, and some of them are providing some kind of side hustles that you can do to earn passive income, and they require minimum skills. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm able to use my smartphone and earn passive income, right? I'm going to be even share the apps that I'm using. They also have a website, so you can also use your PC to do the same thing. So like I said, I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can also start earning from your smartphone. And at the end of this tutorial, if you have any questions, you can just send me a message on WhatsApp. We have a community where we trade together, so it doesn't matter whether you are coming from Australia, you are coming from US or Ghana or South Africa or Dubai, it can still help you. So I'm just going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to make money from your smartphone using the mobile apps. So we are going to be using the app called Binance, right? There are different apps. Like I said, there are over thousands of apps, but I have been using Binance for the past 5 years now, and I've helped thousands of people make money online through Binance. So there is an opportunity right now on Binance where you can easily earn passive income with minimum capital required. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you have any issues, like I said, you can send me a message. So Binance has been able to list their 21st project, which is RESOLV. So RESOLV is a native token on the Bitcoin and Ethereum network, which is using USR for DeFi and also stablecoin connection. So they just released it. That was last week. I even traded it with my students with the strategy on the gainers. So today's video, I'm going to show you how you can also start making, even if you don't make $100, but at least those who are really committed can even make more than thousands of dollars. So I'm just going to walk you through how to do that. So first of all, you need to have a verified Binance account. So you can check the video description or check my community where I give out links. If you use the link to create a Binance account, you are going to get 50% commission discount anytime you are trading features on Binance. So I'm going to take you through 3 ways you can make money with RESOLV, right? RESOLV project, which is the 21st project on Binance right now. So the first step is we are going to be using features perpetuals. When we say features perpetuals, we are talking about using an underlying asset to trade its value. So when the price increases, we can either use leverage to profit from the price increasing or reducing. And I'm going to show you how to do that from your PC. Then we'll now move to also simple earn and also auto investing using the same RESOLV. Okay, how to stake it. So to start making money on your PC or your smartphone, like I said, you need a verified Binance account. So once you have a verified Binance account, so I'm just going to place my screen so that you can see what is currently happening. Okay, so it doesn't even matter whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, it can still work for you. So just follow the instructions. Okay, so now we have our Binance account verified. When you open the website, this is what you are going to see. Now the next thing that you want to focus on now is you go to trade section. So on the trade section, we have spot trading, margin trading, P2P, convert, trading bot, and all this, copy trading. Now I want to use this opportunity and tell you guys that there are over millions of ways to make money online, and there are over thousands of ways to make money on Binance. But you need to select one that have really proven to work. That's the only way you can start cashing out. So once we have an app, Binance, and we are going to use it to do the trading. Now, when you verify the account and you come here, we have 3 types of trading with leverage. We have USDT M features, which is pegged with the US dollar. Then we have the coin M features, which is for any coin at all you are trading. Then options are just like stocks in crypto. We are using the first one. Okay, we are using the first one. So I'll click on USDT at M features. Okay. So now the next thing that I'll do is I'm going to deposit some money into my Binance account so that we can start trading. For this to really work for us, so that we can really make $100 or $200 per day, we need to fund our futures trading account. So to fund our futures trading account, when you come to the futures section, right, perpetuals, we are trading perpetuals. They don't expire, meaning you can hold a trade for 2-3 years, but you'll be paying fees. So what I'll do is I'll click on the market section here. Once I click on the market section, now I'll click on the arrow buttons, the available balance. So we want to transfer money from our trading account. So I'll just transfer like $200. Okay. So I've just transferred $200 to my trading account. Now that I've transferred the $200 to my trading account, we are going to trade RESOLV. Like I said, RESOLV is the 25th project on Binance. I have RESOLV. We'll just click on the fat coin section here. Then we search for RESOLV. RESOLV USDT perpetual. So you select it. So this is the token here. We are going to trade it so that we can be able to make money. So for us to do this, we'll go to trading view. This was a trade that I shared with my community members, and I even shared it in the free community, and people were able to make thousands of dollars from this. Okay, so I'll click on the search box, the symbol search, then I'll type in RESOLV, then I'll add .p, right? Then I'll select solve here, RESOLV here. Now this is the current time frame of RESOLV. Like I said, we even traded this coin and made a lot of money, but I want to share the process with you so that you'll be able to do it. So now the next thing that I'll do is I'll just click on long position. Usually from my experience, when a coin is listed on Binance, it will pump for like 70, 80, 200%. Then it will dump in the next coming days. Like I said, this token was released 1 week ago and now it's down. So this is the right time to go for a long position. When a new coin is listed, don't buy it. Wait for it to cool down within 48 hours, 72 hours, then you now sell it. When you sell it for 2-3 days, 4 days, 5 days, then you can come back and buy it. Don't be buying new tokens on Binance. Okay, if you don't stop that, you will be used as exit liquidity. So first of all, I'll go for long position. But before I go for long position, I need to identify my support and resistance so that I can know where I'll exit if the trade goes in my favor, and also where to exit if the trade doesn't go in my favor. So most people are having issues with it. What you need to understand is technical analysis is your personal opinion. If you have been following me for the past 2-3 years or 4 years, I learned it the hard way. Don't think drawing lines and doing indicators is going to help you make money. What is going to help you make money is how to really set your risk management so that you'll be able to exit if the trade goes in your favor. You'll be able to exit with big money, and also exit if the trade doesn't go in your favor. You accept your loss and move on. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to identify my support and resistance so that I'll know my take profit and stop loss. And like I said, anything that I'm doing here is my personal opinion. It does not matter. So I'll go for the trend line tools, select horizontal line, come and put my support level here. I can put my resistance, first resistance here, second resistance, third resistance. I'll now click on long position. Okay. Then I'll click this place. The only reasons why we are buying this coin is because it has been listed for like 5 days, more than 7 days now, and people have sold it to the bottom. The initial investors have cashed out. So we are now going to buy it to the top. I usually target 1:3, meaning if I'm risking $50 or $100 or $200 on this trade, I'll be making 3 times of what I'm risking. So now my target price is 0.34. This trade can take 1 to 7 days to hit. My stop loss is 0.2315. Okay, but all you need to understand is you are not the only one trading. So even if the price is going to go in your direction, it's going to cause some drama. Just make sure you don't over leverage. Like I said, when you are buying, you can go with 5% of your capital, but when you are selling, just go with 2% or 3%. So now I'll double click here, then I'll enter the capital that I have on my Binance right now. So if you go back to our Binance, we have almost $210. We'll go back to my trading view, enter $210, right? Leave the lot size, come down to the risk. So with the risk, we are using 2%. This is our entry price. Entry price means the current market where you are taking the trade from. Then we have the profit level. Profit level is the take profit here, okay? Then stop loss is where we want to exit if the trade goes in our favor, right? So I'll just click on OK. Now if I double click again, before we take the trade, like I said, always set your stop loss. You can decide not to put take profit, but stop loss is very, very important. Now I'll go back to Binance. Then I'll now enter the take profit that I have on trading view. So on our trading view, our take profit is what? We can copy this. Take profit is the same as profit level. So I'll copy this, come and paste it here. Okay, now stop loss. So with the stop loss, I'll copy this, then I'll come and paste it here. Then I can decide to use a percentage, 2% on this trade. Because we are buying, we can go with 5%. So with the 5%, if we scroll down, you can see 10.44 as our margin, meaning they are telling us if we are going to take this trade, we are investing $10.45. That's the cost. In Forex, we call it lot size. You can also call this position sizing. But also remember, we are using a leverage of 20x, meaning this $10 multiplied by 20, that becomes our position size. That's why you see someone will have like, let's say someone will have 20,000 and someone will have $100, and still the person will be able to make profit as someone who is also having the same 20,000. It's because of leverage. Okay, so now I'm going to enter buy long. I'm going to invest 5% of my capital, which is 10.45 cents in dollars in USDT. So if I click on long position, they are just going to ask me some questions, then I can confirm. Once I confirm, when you are trading like this from Monday to Friday, within 4 to 5 hours, you will know whether you made the right decision or people don't agree with your decision. Like I said, when you take a trade like this, do not panic. You are not the only one trading. The coin will go in your favor. The only issue you are facing is emotions. For you to avoid emotions, you have to bring down the capital amount you are investing in the trade, meaning you are not supposed to use more than half of your capital on a single trade, right? So we have the trade being active here, and I can assure you by the close of this day, this trade can either give us $20 in profit or $20 in loss. But at the end of the day, our target on this coin is currently around $300. So if this coin goes well, we are making $300, and if it doesn't go well, we are losing $50. Now let's use this to just do some small calculations, right? $20 times 30, that's about $600. So if you can see, $600, right? So some people are asking me, how do you make $100 per day? I've just showed you a step-by-step process on how to actually take a trade, how to actually set your take profit and stop loss. This has a potential of giving you up to $30,000 if you follow the instruction ahead. So now that we have set up the first one, now the second one is how to use staking. Okay, so we are going to stake this particular token on Binance, right? So to stake it, you come to the home page. So click on home page here. So when you click on home page, now you can search for it here, staking. You can just search for staking here. Just type in ST. Then we can have staking, stake. Okay, so we have stake here. So stake. Now, if you observe, we have sport, features, announcement. Now I'll just go to the more section. Okay, more section, we have it. So on the more section, we scroll down to Binance, and let's see if we can get it from this place. I usually use my smartphone to do this, so permit me if I'm okay. So here it is, N. So N, we go to simple N. So once we click on simple N, we can set it up so that Binance will be able to invest in this particular coin called the RESOLV token. Okay, so you can see the RESOLV here. So we can click on flexible savings, then we go to max. So with max, what we need to do is we will need to convert our USDT that we have on Binance or any BNB. We have to convert it to RESOLV. Once you convert it to RESOLV, then you can now come to the simple N and stake it there. So this is the second one. Now the third one is how to use the spot trading. Okay, so with the spot trading, just click on spot here. So on the spot trading, we have margin trading too. For spot, is one direction trade. So we decide to buy the coin, and when it appreciates in value, we make profit. So you can click here to search for the token that we want to trade with. Okay, so I will need to search for the coin here. Let's see if we can get it. RESOLV. Okay, so we have RESOLV here. This is RESOLV USDT with 5x on Binance. Now we can just decide to go for a long position market order, and if this coin increases in value, we make profit. If we want to sell our gains, we just click here to sell our gains. So this video, I've just showed you a step-by-step process on how to actually make money on Binance app using the 21st project, which is RESOLV on stable USDT, Bitcoin on Ethereum network. So if you have any issues, make sure you send me a message on WhatsApp. Like I told you guys, we are over thousands of people trying to make money online around the world. So if you want to join us, make sure you send me a message so that I'll take you through a step-by-step process. Subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. You can also share this video to a friend.